As a result of the findings above, which are in favor of the applicant, his application is granted but on the following conditions. 1. The applicant will execute a cash bail of 3 million Uganda shillings. Here I'm trying to be in tandem with the coaches. 2. Each of the sureties shall execute a non-cash bond, 50 million Uganda shillings. And I have to emphasize that this shall be forfeited to the state if the applicant breaches the bail terms and absconds from court jurisdiction. Is it clear to you, sureties? It is not that all of the applicant's passport shall be called for by the court's deputy registrar upon my order and deposited in the registrar's custody for safekeeping. Do you have the passport, sir? We want it. Before you are released, it should be here. The applicant shall not travel out of the country without the permission of this court, to be issued if required by the deputy registrar of the ICT. And if you travel, upon return, the passport shall be returned to the custody of the deputy registrar. Is it clear? If it's not clear, you can ask your lawyers to elaborate more.